A man buys 2 articles for 5,000 rupees each. He sells one at 20% profit, the other at 20% loss. Equal gain, equal loss. So no profit, no loss, right? Wrong. Let's do the math. Article A, bought for 5,000, sold at 20% gain. That's 5,000 times 1.2. Selling price, 6,000. Article B, bought for 5,000, sold at 20% loss. 5,000 times 0.8. Selling price, 4,000. Now add it up. Total cost price, 10,000. Total selling price, 6,000 plus 4,000, also 10,000. So it is 0? No profit, no loss? Yes, in this case, that's correct. But here's where it gets interesting. What if instead he sells both at 5,000 each? One at 20% gain, one at 20% loss. Now the cost prices are different. For the one sold at 20% gain, cost price equals 5,000 divided by 1.2. That's 4,167. For the one sold at 20% loss, cost price equals 5,000 divided by 0.8. That's 6,250. Total cost price, 4,167 plus 6,250. 10,417. Total selling price, just 10,000. You lost 417 rupees on what looked like a perfectly balanced deal. Remember this. Equal percentage gain and loss on the same selling price? Always a loss. The formula? Loss percent equals the percentage squared over 100. 20 squared over 100, 4% loss, every time. Follow @SuperSchoolClassics for tricks that save you in exams.